waking up.
Good morning, Tom. Is it 7 o'clock?
Good morning, Laura. Yes, it is 7.
I am still sleepy.
I know, but you have work today.
I need 5 more minutes.
5 minutes is okay, but not more.
Where is my phone?
It is on the small table.
Thank you. I will get up now.
Great. Let's start the morning well.
In the bathroom. First, I brush my teeth.
Good. Do you wash your face too?
Yes, with cold water.
That helps you wake up.
After that, I take a quick shower.
How long is your shower?
About 10 minutes.
That is good for the time.
Can you put my towel here?
Sure, here it is.
Thanks. Then I get dressed.
Your blue shirt is ready.
Breakfast in the kitchen. I am hungry now.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want toast and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, 1 small coffee, please.
I am making tea for me.
We can eat together.
Good idea. What time do you leave?
I leave at 8:15.
It is 8 o'clock now.
Then I have 15 minutes.
Eat slowly, but watch the time.
Ready to leave. I have my bag and keys.
Do you have your lunch?
Oh, I forgot it.
It is in the fridge.
Thank you. I will take it now.
Do you need your umbrella?
Yes, the sky looks gray.
Here is the umbrella.
Now I am ready.
Your routine was fast today.
Yes, thanks for helping me.
Have a good day at work.